We don't want another war in any name in whole country.
Hi dears, today I came from Kabul to Siab district. I met with different people and I shared my message to them. You know, my message is we don't want another war in any name in whole country. So people told me we all are support you in this way because we want to peaceful life and secure life. So before I was translated my message to 9 languages. I want to share you Chinese language, Russian language, French language, Arabic language, Hindi language, Urdu language, Dari and Parsi language, English language, and Pashto language.